ocean covers 71% of the Earth's surface and contains 97% of the planet's water. Yet more than 95% of the underwater world remains unexplored, but something is destroying our oceans. Oil leaks, trash, and debris are just a few of the things causing a negative impact on our oceans. Even though we live in landlocked Colorado, we need to help save our oceans and the marine life that lives in them. Let's start at the Denver Aquarium. Here you can learn all kinds of information about the oceans and its animals. There are many species of stingrays in the ocean, but we have two here at the aquarium in our touch tank, the cow-nosed ray and the southern stingray. The cow-nosed ray is found normally in the western Atlantic Ocean, and they grow up to 3 feet in width. Cow-nosed rays eat things like clams, large snails, lobsters, oysters, and crabs. These stingrays will often bury themselves in the sand to avoid detection by predators and will also use their venomous tail spine in self-defense. Southern stingrays act as predators of several marine fish and invertebrate species, as well as serving as prey to larger fish species like hammerhead sharks. Two of the sharks we have at the aquarium are sand tigers and the green sawfish. Sand tigers have a deceivingly ferocious look. They are large-bodied and display a mouthful of sharp teeth that protrude in all directions, even when the mouth is shut. Despite this, they are a docile, non-aggressive species, known to attack humans only when bothered first. They are found in warm or temperate waters throughout the world's ocean except the eastern Pacific. Their staple is small fish, but they will eat crustaceans and squid as well. Although this species is widespread and is not widely fished for food, it has one of the lowest reproduction rates of all sharks and is susceptible to even minimal population pressure. For this reason, it is listed as vulnerable and is protected in much of its range. Next is the sawfish. The green sawfish is a ray with a shark-like body and a striking elongated snout, known as a saw. This saw bears 23 to 37 pairs of teeth and earns the species its common name. This once common sawfish has a wide distribution in the northern Indian Ocean, reaching east to South Africa, and is also found off of Indonesia and Australia. The main threat facing this species is accidental bycatch by prawn fisheries, fish trawling, and other fishing activities. Due to the saw and their large size, this species becomes entangled in its nets very easily. As they are difficult to set free, they rarely survive becoming caught in this way. This is the lionfish. The venom of the lionfish, delivered via an array of up to 18 needle-like dorsal fins, is purely defensive. It relies on camouflage and lightning-fast reflexes to capture prey, mainly fish and shrimp. Lionfish are popular in some parts of the world as food, but are far more prized in the aquarium trade. Their population numbers are healthy and their distribution is growing, causing some concern in the United States, where some feel the success of this non-indigenous species presents human and environmental dangers. Lionfish are now one of the top predators in many coral reef environments of the Atlantic. Lionfish consume over 50 species of fish, including some economically and ecologically important species. There are many species of jellyfish found around the world, but here at the Denver Aquarium, we have a species called moon jellies. Jellyfish are found in every ocean, from the surface to the deep sea. A few jellyfish inhabit freshwater. Large, often colorful jellyfish are common in coastal zones worldwide. The upside-down jellyfish typically lie on the bottom of shallow lagoons, where they sometimes pulsate gently with their umbrella top facing down. Jellyfish form an important part of the marine food web. Carnivorous, they feed on a variety of small, floating organisms as well as comb jellies and occasionally other jellyfish. Larger jellyfish can capture and devour large crustaceans and other marine organisms. Many marine animals, including spadefish, sunfish, and sea turtles, eat jellyfish. One of the smaller animals we have here at the aquarium are potbelly seahorses. Seahorses eat small crustacea, such as Maya shrimp. An adult eats 30 to 50 times a day. Seahorse fry, or baby seahorses, eat a staggering 3,000 pieces of food per day. Seahorses live in shallow, weedy areas, especially eelgrass beds. In the winter, they move into deeper waters so they can escape the rough weather. Sadly, the pet trade takes an estimated 1 million seahorses from the wild per year. All of these animals are an important part of their ecosystems. If one goes missing, many other marine animals will die. The oceans provide food for millions of people worldwide, so we have to keep them healthy. By learning about these animals, you can help keep our oceans clean and safe for the marine life that lives in them.